popping everyone? 𝑅𝐴𝑠 is coming back at you with a brand new video. Today, as you might have seen from the title already, we are going to talk about winning ads both on Facebook and of course you can use them on Instagram as well. I'm going to jump into some different winning ads on Facebook inside of my computer right here in a sec to show you guys and break them down for you why they're working and how you guys can implement some of these strategies into your own ads strategy and your own ad for your products as well. So basically, let's just jump straight into it. Oh, before jumping straight into it, can you hit that subscribe button down below? I would really much appreciate it. But let's jump straight into it. So inside of my computer right here, so I'm going to break down some of the different ads I've found on Facebook and some of the products that are actually working. One of the funny things or interesting things about looking through ads from 2018 or some of the older ads that you can revive those winning products. Some of the products are seasonal products, which I mean like they refer to a specific season or a specific holiday or something like that. You know, that could be Valentine products, that could be summer products and stuff like that. I do have a lot of winning products that I basically have been giving away, so be sure to check out the playlist in the description down below. In the playlist you will find a series of different videos where I basically give winning products to you guys with links and everything, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But moving into the ads right here, so we're going to break down the ways and reasons why these specific ads are performing well and have a possibility, and a lot of them have a lot of views. So the many views also is a great indicator that the products are actually a winning product for the store, the company, the brand, whatever, because they are continuing to running ads to them, and that is the result of more views on the video. So that is one of the reasons. As you can see, we can see all of the views right here. But jumping into one of the first ads right here, we are at 4.2 million views. Let's break down the ad copy first. So as you can see, you have an emojis which are being used as bullet points, which is one of my favorite ways of sort of like setting up the ad copy. You can see they use this dancing emoji, the heart emoji. So I do have an issue with my Chrome where it sort of like duplicates the emoji, but you can get the idea of it, right? So the dancing emoji right here, the hearts, and then you have the shopping cart. And all of these different emojis are working as bullet points and sort of like draws the eye to the next sentence, and it just makes it a lot more clean to read. As you can see, ladies are going crazy about this straightener. Take it home on 24-hour sale, 80% off, hurry up. I don't like to use too much scarcity on the ad copy, but the most important thing is never to write the price of the product. Then of course they have the link right here. Bit.ly link are okay to use. I do recommend to use a URL shortener within your Shopify store, but Bit.ly is fine as well. As you can see, they have their thumbnail are okay, not the best. I do like to use arrows and emojis and stuff like that when I'm working with the ad, video ads, when I'm using the thumbnail. This is okay as well. When you're using and you're making your video ads, you really want to put yourself in the place of your target audience. So you should of course think about being a woman, or you know, guys can use that too, but of course your target audience will most likely be women. So when they're scrolling through on their phone or on desktop or whatever, you need to catch their attention when they see the photo and the video, and the thumbnail is here to work and help with that. So I do have a video on my YouTube channel as well, to try to just on YouTube search 𝑅𝐴𝑠 thumbnails or 𝑅𝐴𝑠 video ads and stuff like that, and then it will pop up. But thumbnails are really important too. If we go through the video right here, first off, this is one of the most important things when you're doing your video ads. Maybe you have somebody to edit it for you, or you're doing them yourself. The importance is to have the use or the problem solving feature or the whole point of the product in the first 5 seconds of the video. This is a straightener. It can take really curly and frizz hair and put it or turn it into smooth and straightened hair. I guess that's the point of the product, right? And it shows that first 5 seconds, boom, that's it right there. That's the whole idea of the product. They can actually press the link now within 3 to 4 seconds and know exactly what the point of the product is and what it does and why they should use it. So this is a great ad. I'm really a fan of it. Also probably one of the reasons why it has 9.5 thousand comments, right? So people are tagging other females, other women are tagging their spouses or their husband or whatever, and say, buy this for me. And this is it's a great product, like amazing product. Yeah. It's a great product, right? Great video ad for it as well. So it's all about this too. It needs to appeal to your target audience. It needs to have a wow factor within the first 5 seconds, and as well for the thumbnail. That's the importance of it. So great ad copy, great ad create. This is actually one of the more perfect ads I've seen. It could be a bit longer because that would be if I need to criticize a little bit with something. It's 29 seconds long. The longer you make the video, the easier it is to get that 95% video views are really specific. So, but other than that, it's a perfect ad. It's a perfect ad. Moving on to the next, this one is a pretty boring thumbnail as well. It goes for the same as I was talking about before, but you guys can jump onto this Facebook page. It's a great Facebook page to sort of like copy products from. Yahoo Now, sort of like just a Facebook page which posts a lot of wedding products. This is a more clean and simple ad copy where there are sort of like more trying to make the video ad don't look like a video ad. So it's a great strategy as well, a great way of doing it. It doesn't really catch the attention the same way. This is where the video and the thumbnail is doing all the talking, because there's not really anything in the ad copy, right? So the video itself needs to be really but yeah, so the video is really important. That's a good video, and as you see straight off the bat right here, within the first 5 seconds, within the first, there, boom, 1 second, 1.5 second, you know what the product does, and you're like, wow, I need that. So as you can see, it's a cut resistant glove, really cool, you know, when you're cutting, I don't know, vegetables or meat and stuff like that. So, and the good thing about this video too is that it has these small quotes or small sentences like explaining about the video, which is great on mobile as well because the ad copy is a bit smaller. So that is a great thing to have too. It's really great for Instagram as well because the ad copies and sort of like the text is a bit small on Instagram, like below the video. So it's great to have these sentences on the video itself. So it's a really great ad, as you can see. And then it just continues to show the use of the product. This is a problem, right? She's trying to cut it and she's afraid she will cut herself, so it's a bit slower to cut vegetables. But this, okay, there is a mistake right here. It shows the price. I would not recommend for you guys to do that, but other than that, it's great. But basically it shows the problem, it shows the problem solving feature, then it shows the problem that you can relate to as a customer, and then you're like, oh yeah, I can actually cut vegetable a lot faster because you're not afraid to cut yourself. So great video. Next one right here. So this is one of the things that I've been talking about a lot. Really passionate in niche, dogs, animals, right? So as you can see, it has 900k views but 1.6 thousand comments, which is a lot. Uses you know about the same strategy with the emojis. I don't like to put emojis like inside of it. It might just be sort of like wrong aligned compared to not on the mobile phones. What if I do this? But other than that, you know, again, it's using emojis. It's using emojis for bullet points, so you are reading a lot more of the ad copy, and it has double links, which I like to do as well. Let's see what the ad does. So this is one of the things with this ad, right? It doesn't really show. What does? Okay, so it shows the product. Then it shows the use of the product actually within 5 seconds, again, as we've been talking about, right? So that's the great thing. Oh, and then it shows this is what the problem is. It shows the problem then. It shows the use of the product. It shows the problem that you might normally have, and then it shows the use of the product again. So great video ad, as we've been talking about, and then it's just explaining how easy it is to set up, and it doesn't harm your doors or your walls or anything. Your dog can see through it and everything. So really cool product. I do have a dog myself, so I do sort of like relate to this. So great video ad as well. Let's take just one more, right? Which one are we going to choose? So this is probably a product that you guys should go ahead and test as well this summer when we're moving to spring, summer. This was posted on the 2 months ago, so most likely targeted, you know, Australia and New Zealand and stuff because they have summertime right now. But this is just out in one go, so I don't like the ad copy, really bad ad copy. But the video is pretty good. It's a bit, that's the thing, right? When you're making a video ads, well, let's take this example as one of the bad ads so you can sort of like relate. This ad is not that great because you can see there's just too much text in the top and the bottom. You don't really come out brand wise. It looks really scammy, looks really dropshipping-ish. And one of the major things that I've been talking about a lot in 2019 is to try to differentiate yourself from your competitors. So this ad is really not the best, and I wouldn't recommend it to do it like this. So set it up as one of the others. This ad is one of the better, you know, bullet points, great video ad, show the use of the product within the first 5 seconds of the video, and then remember to make good thumbnails for the video, right? So I hope you guys got something useful out of this. Please hit the subscribe button to watch a lot more videos like this where you can get a lot of knowledge. I will link the playlist down below that you guys can check out, completely free videos that will help you with Facebook ads. And I do have a playlist as well on my YouTube channel giving you guys winning products for free. So go ahead and check those out. And as always, I hope you guys have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.